Are you ready to start using the ChatGPT app on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to download it and get started quickly and easily. You'll learn how to find it in the App Store and how to install it, so make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Apple App Store, go over to the Search tab, tap the search bar up top, and search for ChatGPT. And then tap and select this exact app. This is the official app from OpenAI. So now what you want to do next is tap the Get button, and then double-click the side button to confirm it. And now ChatGPT will download and install on your iPhone. Once that's done, the app will appear on your home screen. You can just tap on the app, log in with your ChatGPT account, and use it like you would normally do. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.